All right, so we're here at Congoleum Corporation in Trainer, Pennsylvania to do a startup on a new Kaishan KRSP 100, 100 horsepower compressor. This is their second Kaishan that they've purchased. So let's go and see how Todd's making out with the startup here. For these guys, I would set it to 2,000 because they run these things 24/7. Okay. You know what I mean? Yeah. I would set it to 2,000. Somebody that's outside of a 24/7 operation, say 1,500. All right, so Todd's got this thing fired up. And as you can see, these Kaishans are smooth as glass when they're running. They do, at the factory, they do the quarter or the nickel trick where they stand the coin on end, set it on the top of the inlet or on top of the air end, and the coin just stands still, doesn't fall over or nothing. But these Kaishans run at such a lower oil temperature as a lot of the competition. The cooling system in these machines are sized so much larger so they can be put in harsher environments. A lot of these manufacturers have compressor rooms in really bad environments, so it's great for bad environments where it's dusty, dirty, whatever the case may be, because these things can take it. We had one that was in ambient temperature of about 115 degrees, and the Kaishan unit never broke 200 degrees. So it's a testament to the size of the cooling system in these things, which most of the competition can't say the same.